Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy, I'm saying, Trinity, yeah. Hey, what's good, y'all? So, I'm looking at the market, right? Giving a little pre-analysis, right? Before I possibly take a trade today. If I do take a trade, then I'll post the trade. You feel me? And show the trade and show the price action with the music. Y'all already know how I go, right? But yeah, looking at your friendly neighborhood dollar, you know what I'm saying? First, this looks like it's setting up a market maker sell model. You could already tell right now that this is the original consolidation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, which happened in Asia. Maybe because all of the news and shit with Zelensky and all of the, NATO and all of them, right? Boom. Created an up close candle, broke down, right? Had a displacement lower. I want to see this FEG stay intact, right? But I do want to see this intermediate term, short term high. I want to see this short term high get taken out, come into this range, leave some of this open, and then start delivering lower towards these relative equal lows here and these low original consolidation here, all in here, right? And previous daily low, new week opening gap type shit, right? So same thing with EU. That's what I'm looking for with EU. That's what I'm looking for with GU, right? So look how clean GU looks. Look, relative equal highs, redistribution, smart money reversal, possibly, right? And then something might happen in here. And then once we get through this fair value gap, then I will be looking for re-entries. Maybe that'll possibly happen even tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna play out today because we did come up into this fair value gap, but I am bullish. I am bullish on the daily. All right, if you look at the daily, let me take these off real quick. If you look at the daily, right, we're bullish GU, right? Been bullish GU since, but we are right now inside of this hourly PD array. But I do want to see price get through there and smash through it, right? So that means this FEG has to stay intact, and I want to see price. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, indices, don't even get me started, because this shit's ass. This shit's straight ass. Who wants to trade this? Nobody wants to trade this. Now, when I'm looking at this, right, you got lows being built up, The only thing that did some was YM, and YM possibly can start going higher and start running to the sky. But I really think it needs to displace through this level here, like all of this right here. I need some displacement there, and then maybe tomorrow could be a buy after FOMC PM session, or even before FOMC PM session. But yeah, so that's what I want to see. I want to see what price does here, what price does in here. If price offers something in here, I may take a buy, get into a buy and see how that goes, right? Close to midnight open price, whatever the shaboom bang bang should do. But yeah, news is about to come out in like 30 seconds. That's really what I'm looking for. Bullishness EU, bullishness dollar, bullishness all assets, indices. Besides, I don't know what the fuck to think about NQ and ES right now until it starts running out some lows and shit. I'm not trying to call none of this range right here, right? I just have my PD arrays there, and I'm letting price tell me what's gonna happen. But this is a balanced price range on the hourly. Really don't know. I really would rather see price get through there, right? If I was gonna think that this was low of the week that was creating right here, but whole time I don't like these lows that's being generated right now. So we'll see what happens. All right, so I entered the EU long here. The reason why I like this long is because we swept out sell side liquidity. Had a nice displacement higher, creating a down close candle. Also, GU also swept out London liquidity, so there is a bit of SMT with EU because EU did not sweep that out. And I'm buying EU because EU looks a little bit more stronger. So hope you guys enjoy this trade. It's about to be a stop out, bruh. And it straight went Dookie Cheeks on me. It went Dookie Cheeks, bruh. I should have bought GU instead. Bruh. I thought EU was gonna be the one to be like the runner to like hold this mitigation. What I'm thinking is the mitigation block and continue up higher, bruh. But it's just failed to go up higher, failed to go up above this, bruh. And shit like, ah, man, fuck, I broke my glasses, bruh. Damn. Ah, damn. Yeah, I should have bought GU. Oh, fuck. Well, there go my glasses, bruh. Yeah, bruh. Hey, that's my day though, man. I'm gonna just only take this one trade. Look like ES shot up. NQ, I mean, yeah, ES had went up. NQ went up as well. I'm gonna just come back Thursday, see what the market offers. But man, that GU buy would have been way better. I'm not gonna lie. Um, but hey, it just didn't work out, bruh. It sucks. I'm trying to fix my glasses. It sucks that, you know, I've been on this losing streak, got one win, and then back on another back-to-back losing streak. You feel me? 2 day of two losers. You feel me? Let me show you guys the account. So this where we at 2,500. 2,500. How much we lose today? 385. God damn. Little extra $10. Man, I thought this was the one. I thought this was gonna continue up higher. So the reason why I thought that, just for a post trade breakdown, we basically went and hit a daily order block, right? Went up from there. I'm thinking this gap is gonna be breakaway. So after we took out this sell side liquidity pool, even though we came into this hourly FEG up here, I wanted to be a buyer of GU more though. That's the thing. Like coming into the market, and this is something that I'm gonna journal and write down in my notes, bruh. When I came in, right? When you look at GU came all the way down and ran out the London low. You feel me? Like very, very deep and ran out the London low. But EU didn't. EU didn't run out that London low. EU didn't have to have the strength to, the strength to really come down here and just like hit this bitch out, right? So when it took it out here, when EU had took out this low here, I'm thinking like I'm going to GU, right? GU's all the way down here at this low that took this low out, right? And then it's just not continuing. It just didn't continue. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, my fault. It took this low out, right? Came all the way to London's low, right? And then it's changing the state of delivery had to be all the way up here. I'm thinking EU is gonna be the one to run because it got up above this right here. So maybe I could have waited for a little bit more displacement through this high. Maybe I could have waited for that. You know what I mean? To be bullish, to think that it was gonna go and take this out. I probably could have waited for a little bit more displacement. But yeah, L is a L, bruh. I'll take that L to the chin. I've been taking the L's pretty smooth, not letting it affect how I feel, not letting it affect my next decision making and all of that. But I'm gonna stay away from indices for right now. NQ does look like it could go higher. Maybe, I don't know. It looked like it could go either way. I'm gonna wait till Thursday. I'm gonna come back Thursday. Maybe tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll see what's happening. But you know, that's pre FOMC meeting minutes. You know what I mean? But yeah, dollar held this. Yeah, look like dollar may be going higher, I guess. Now looks like a consolidation. Yeah, bruh. Tough. It's a tough L. It's a tough L. I'm not gonna lie. It's a tough L. The reason why it's a tough L for me, for one, I'm on a losing streak, and two, bruh, like, it's just like, you know what I mean? Like, was GU just a better buy? That's the thing, bro. It's like, should I have taken GU instead? And it's like, should I take GU now? You know what I mean? To me, wait, did it close above this yet? I'm gonna wait for it to close above this, and then I'm gonna give it one more shot. And I'm gonna give it one more shot. Maybe it hit me out early. I gotta live or die with this decision. You feel me? That I'm making right here. So I'm gonna go one more. All right, one more. All right, this is most likely gonna be a stop out too. Uh, I'm not gonna tilt, y'all. Not gonna tilt, bro. But it just sucks. 2 losses in a row. I thought this was the sell stop run now, and then the change in the state of delivery. But I'm wrong, bro. All right, I'm calling it a day. I'm calling it a day, bro. This is tough. It's tough. This is tough. This is tough. Yeah. GU, yeah. All right, yeah. I was just wrong for today. Tough day. Tough day. Very, very patient. To be patient for the past like 2 weeks, bruh, and just to end this day with 2 losses, bruh. That shit sucks. That shit sucks. But you know, shit happens, bruh. I really don't know what to say. Y'all, yeah, y'all get to see my emotions. You feel me, like right here firsthand, bruh. But yeah, not gonna go into, bro. It sucks. This shit sucks. Shit sucks. 2 losses in a row. Bro, I would take this every single time though. That's the thing. And like this the second entry, you know what I'm saying? Since I'm on a losing streak, I probably could have avoided taking a loss right here. You know what I mean? But like I thought this was gonna be the move then because we took out that low, left relative go highs, right? Draw is higher. But I'm just wrong. I'm just wrong. I'm wrong today. Uh, I gotta take it, be able to take it. It sucks. It really sucks. It really sucks. It really sucks. But this is the discipline that I need to be able to control, bruh. I just gotta be able to control this. We could control not crashing out here. Control just taking this L, these 2 L's in a row. You know what I mean? It sucks looking at this P&L. It sucks to see that you know what I mean? Like I'm down, but this ain't the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. You guys can feel the pain in my voice, bruh. You guys can feel it. You guys can feel the pain. But yeah, Dookie cheeks, straight Dookie cheeks, straight Dookie cheeks, bruh. Straight Dookie cheeks. I'm mad as hell, but like I'm not gonna crash out. I'm not gonna crash out, bruh. You know what I mean? It's gonna be another day. I'm gonna come back Thursday. I'm gonna come back Thursday. I shouldn't have took a bigger loss than I probably should have took today. I'm gonna come back Thursday, see what happens. See if I can make these losses back. These 2 losses that I took, and then yeah, bruh. If you guys enjoyed this video, go on and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace. I'm out.